My channel, all things Yazz. Today we are doing a Christmas glam makeup look such as this. If you want to see how I achieved this look, then carry on watching. I love a good cup of lemon and green tea. So before we get on to the makeup, I did want to mention skincare. I always believe that flawless makeup has to have a great base. So I've started by using these cleansers from Murad. They've got the refreshing cleanser and then the exfoliating cleanser, and they are so great. My friend kindly gave them to me for a birthday present and I've been loving them. I've then gone on and cleansed and toned my face using Comfort Zone cleansing milk and the toner. These are great. I love the cleansing milk. It helps with makeup removal. And then the next thing I've used is a Comfort Zone Hydra Memory Cream, if it focuses. And then I've also used the Hydra Memory Eye Gel as well, which is super great, and it has this amazing back, which is kind of like a cooling effect as well, and you use that to apply the gel underneath. So now that I've done all that, I'm just going to put some lip injection from Too Faced to prime up my lips. It's got like this stinging effect as well. The plumper the better, but it looks like this. This is just a sample, but I really love it. Okay. I'm also going to prime my face with the Hangover Cure. Oh no, it's not called Hangover Cure, it's called Hangover 3-in-1 by Too Faced. So I'm going to give it a really good shake. I love it. It smells so nice. I think it's coconut water. Oh, smells amazing. Next I'm also going to I've got lots of primers, but we are going all out as it is a Christmas glam video. I'm using my coconut Marc Jacobs Undercover Primer. I'm just putting about that much on, I don't know if you can see that. And then I just rub this everywhere, especially into the nose, forehead and chin. But this is a really great primer because it just seems to like go on everywhere. Like it, it just feels so soft as well. Next I'm just going to take my rings off as I'm going to use the Unisex Healthy Glow from Charlotte Tilbury. I love this. This is a great primer as well. I'm just going to use around about that much and then shove this all over my face. And then just using a damp beauty sponge, I'm just going to make sure I've blended that well. But you could just stop here, like if you really want a natural look, like during the day. I hit my adult apple as I was speaking. But yeah, you could just stop there for an everyday, like really natural look. Because I just love this Unisex Healthy Glow. I've bought another tube. I used it throughout summer. It's so great. But we're going to go one step further. So I've got the Airbrush Flawless Foundation from Charlotte Tilbury, and I've been in love with this one. I've been using it non-stop. Okay, let's just blend that all in. Okay, now on to concealer. I'm using this Sicily Stylo Lumiere. I love it. It's such a nice applicator as well. It's really great. use a lighter one because I want to brighten up the under eyes. I do have another one, and it's the Magic Away from Charlotte Tilbury, but it's super like natural, it's not brightening, so sometimes I do use both, but today I'm just going to use one, the lighter one. Break. Love it. Right, okay, so I'm going to set that base with the Charlotte Tilbury, what is it, Airbrush Flawless Finish in the shade 2. I love this one because it feels like skin. Doesn't feel like I've got anything on, which is nice. I think it gives that like flawless finish. So since it's Christmas glam, I'm going to go a little bit extra and just bake the under eyes, nose, forehead. So just using my beauty blender, like tapping that in and getting those under eyes. And just setting the eyelid for my eyeshadow. So on to the next step. You could use a cream contour here, but since I don't have any, I'm going to use a powder, and I'm going to use this palette. I love it. It is amazing. They've come out with a new like stoned rose kind of palette, but it's the instant look in a palette. Gorgeous glowy beauty. So I'm going to use that bronzer with this little brush, as it's perfect. So I'm just going to contour my nose, and I'm just going to use this eye blender brush from Bobbi Brown, and I'm just going to tap into that bronzer and just run it ever so lightly down my nose, around the bridge of the nose, just to create that a very subtle contour. Okay, now I'm going to do some highlighter again from that same palette. I just think it's a really nice highlighter. I'm just going to use this sheer powder brush from Bobbi Brown, and let's get it poppin'. Do I look glowy yet? I'm going to put on my blush. Oops! I'm going to put on my blush last. So now I'm just going to quickly throw on my eyebrows, if that's possible. Okay, so now I've thrown my eyebrows on, I am just going to use some gel to set them. I really want to try out that soap that sets the brows as well, but I think it's expensive. So yeah, we're just going to go for good old Benefit Brow Setting Gel. I'm just going to run that ever so lightly through the brows. There we have it. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys in for the eyes. So now we're zoomed in, we're going to use this new palette from Charlotte Tilbury. I assume it's new, it might not be new. And it is called Exaggerize Bigger Brighter Eyes filter. So let's have a look inside. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. It is stunning. So pretty. So yeah, we're going to use this, but it doesn't have a matte nude as a setting kind of thing. I just want to set my eyes again, so I'm just going to go into the setting powder again and just sweep that over my eyes. Okay, wow. So 1 prime, 2 enlarge, 3 define, 4 pop. Let's just do what it says on the tin. So I'm going to go in with this one, which I can only assume is the priming shade. So let's go with this. And I'm just using this blender brush to apply. It's actually a really nice shade. So the next one is Enlarge, which is this shade. So I'm just going to use a round edged brush to put this on. And I think I'm just going to work it into from the outer corner into like the crease. Like that. Let's give that a go. This shade's so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the same brush onto this colour, which I believe is the Define colour. Define colour. And I'm just going to work that into the outer corner. And just enhance that V. To make it more glam, I'm just really defining this outer corner. And then I'm just going to use that blender brush to blend the outer edges. I really like it. What do you want?
Rude. I'm on my way about.
Do you want to call and get some double cream?
I haven't got any money, no more payment.
Okay. You just have to go out when you get home.
You can have it without double cream, how about that?
No.
Yes.
So I'm going to take that same Define shade on this tiny brush and just line the lower lash. There we go. I'm now going to go into the waterline with this Eye Cheat, this Rockin' Coal, just to make my eyes look awake. It makes such a difference, it's so weird. I am then going to line with this Clinique just intense black liner, and I'm just going to line the lower lash, just have a little bit of darkness there, not too much. Not too much, it makes it look like I've got mascara on, which I don't. Okay, and then I'm going to try, should we try a liner? Do I want to ruin it? Okay, so I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it on to my MAC 263 liner brush. And I'm just going to do this. And I think I'm just going to do a very subtle flick. Well, I'm going to try, I'm going to attempt. Let's see how it goes. And I like that because it's super, it's not so intense. That's how I like my liner. There we go. Some semi-okay lined eyes, and I'm now just going to finish off the eye look with that pop shade, and I'm just going to use my finger actually, and I'm just going to place that on the center of the lid. Oh wow, that's popping. don't know if a finger or the brush is better. Either's really nice, to be fair. Okay, I'm just going to take the eye blender brush and just sweep underneath. Try and get away any of the sparkles that may have fallen out. There's been a little bit of fallout, but other than that, not too bad. So now on to lashes. You could add some false lashes here, but I'm not going to because I've just had my eyelashes with LVL, had them lifted basically, so I don't feel like I need to put some lashes on. So I'm just going to use this mascara from Laura Mercier, and it's called Caviar, and oh my god, it feels like caviar on your lashes. It's stunning. Okay, so that is the eyes done. I'm going to finish off by adding my blush, which I'm going to be taking out of this palette, and I'm just going to be dabbing into both of these. And I'm just going to tap this on. I'm going to do a bit on the forehead, a bit on the nose, just to get a bit more colour into the face. I love this blush, it's so pretty. And it's not too harsh, so I feel like it's a nice soft blush. Okay, to really glam up this look, we are of course going to add a red lip. It is Christmas. I'm going to line with Bond Girl Lip Cheat from Charlotte Tilbury. Okay, lips lined, we are going on to the finale, which is this gorgeous lip, and it is, I think it's Scarlet Spell. I saw this and I just could not resist. Most beautiful colour. I'm excited to try this out. So silky smooth. The colour is a gorgeous, like a winter berry colour. It's not too red, it's not too purple. I just think, oh, it's a perfect winter red. Oh, I love it. Okay, and then to finish off, I'm going to set my face with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 again. Okay guys, I really like it. What do you guys think? I think this is like the perfect glam makeup for Christmas.